More often than not, humans underestimate how intelligent animals are. Many animals have complex sequences of ideas on the same level as human children, even though we might not know exactly what they are thinking. Moreover, these animals have survived thousands of years and adapted quite well to our current environment. That being said, these animals come in different sizes and shapes and inhabit many environments. These creatures can develop sophisticated ideas and problem-solving skills to survive in their everyday lives, even though some animals may not seem to have much going on behind their eyes. So on that note, let's watch this video with Give a Fact to find out which is the smartest animal in the world, shall we? Number 1. Elephants. The first entry on our list of the world's smartest animals is the elephant. Elephants are renowned for having excellent memory and exceptionally high levels of emotional intelligence. These enormous creatures are so sophisticated that they can discern between several human languages. Researchers from the University of Sussex videotaped two guys speaking identical sentences in two different languages as part of their investigation. One of the men was from the Kamba ethnic group, while the other was from the Maasai ethnic group in the area, which had a reputation for shooting wild elephants. The elephants hurtled together and became protective as the Maasai man stated, "Look over there, elephants are approaching." However, the elephants showed no reaction when the man from the Kamba tribe said the same sentence. Regardless of the language they hear, elephants have figured out which phrases should provoke a response from them. At the end of the day, their ability to memorize human sentences and words makes them one of the smartest animals in the world. Instantly amazed by this fact, subscribe to us to broaden your knowledge with more educational videos. Let's move on to the next fact. Number 2. Cats. Due to their capacity to maintain their independence even after domestication, cats have long been thought to be smarter than dogs. Their superior memory explains their greater perception of intellect. Cats have a 200 times stronger memory than dogs and can recall the details of a day for up to 16 hours. Although dogs may be better at helping people, cats have much more sophisticated brains. Dogs only have 160 million neurons in their brain compared to cats' 300 million neurons, making them one of the smartest animals in the world. Number 3. Dolphins. Dolphins' ability to solve complicated puzzles, maintain a complex social structure, comprehend human relationships, and even teach other dolphins difficult tasks taught by humans has led to claims that they are among the world's smartest animals. Their brains weigh around 3.5 pounds, making dolphins among the animals with the greatest brain-to-body ratios, second only to humans. Dolphins' temporal lobes are where they process language and auditory information, unlike humans and primates. Their highly evolved paralimbic systems are what enable them to comprehend and read the emotions of others around them. These marine creatures' sophisticated brains are what gives them their distinct emotional intelligence. It enables them to comprehend complex ideas, develop their own societies, comprehend the significance of communicating via symbols, and identify themselves in mirrors. Number 4. Parrots. A parrot's best-known ability is to learn words from human language and repeat them back with uncanny precision. Because of their DNA, parrots can think abstractly, and their brain grows in a manner resembling that of humans. They are very friendly creatures that require other living things to interact and spend time with. If not, they experience severe depression. In addition to talking, parrots exhibit other common intelligence acts, such as utilizing tools to solve problems. They can learn to converse about various settings and remember up to 100 words, sometimes more. If you don't believe us, adopt a parrot and try to teach it some words. You'll be surprised how quickly a parrot picks up your spoken words. Research says some parrot breeds are smarter than others. For example, the African gray parrot is one of the most vocal parrots you can adopt. They have a knack for mimicking words quicker than other breeds. This is why they also cost a lot of money to purchase. Number 5. Dogs. Dogs are incredibly loyal and clever, making them ideal human companions. The best dog breeds can learn human language, solve problems, and recall cause and effect relationships. Dogs have served a variety of functions throughout history that are imprinted in their DNA, thanks to their capacity to carry out complicated chained orders. For example, dogs have been used for sniffing criminals, guarding, herding, and hunting for thousands of years. Just look at service and police dogs and their ability to observe others around them, and you'll realize why they are considered one of the smartest animals in the world. These canines are trained to perform tasks that people are incapable of, such as sensing impending seizures and hearing heart abnormalities. For example, online dog training with buttons that the dog can press is the newest craze among dog owners. No wonder they are dubbed as man's best friend. Number 6. Chimpanzees. On the internet, chimpanzees are frequently shown behaving like young people, caring for pets like dogs or bunnies, and driving around in toy cars. They can experience various emotions, form bonds with animals of many kinds, and speak fluently to people and other animals. Chimpanzees frequently imitate how young children spend their days and are roughly as intelligent as a 5-year-old child. These creatures can cry when they are sad and laugh when they are having fun. When someone else has what they desire, they get envious and turn to touch to demonstrate their concern for their tribe. Chimpanzees are not only able to distinguish between various objects, but they are also able to give those items rational names. So, the next time you visit your local zoo, remember that these animals have an excellent understanding of how you behave in front of them. Instantly amazed by this fact? Don't forget to tell us what you want to learn more about so we can make more videos about it. Now let's get back to the video. Number 7. Gorillas. To protect themselves from all of their natural enemies, gorillas have evolved incredibly intricate social structures called gorilla battalions. They have strong emotional intelligence and self-awareness. Coco the gorilla is the only gorilla with a greater reputation for intelligence. Coco understood more than 1,000 signals and more than 2,000 spoken words. The Western lowland gorilla served as the symbol of the Gorilla Foundation and as the mascot for the Animal Rights and Environmental Protection Agency. She encountered various individuals over her 46 years, including the late actor Robin Williams, with whom she forged a close friendship. She started to cry when her caregivers informed her about Robin Williams' demise, and she didn't stop for a while. She is evidence alone that gorillas are one of the smartest animals on Earth. Number 8. Otters. Otters are gregarious creatures with advanced social systems and keen curiosity. Families and clans are the two major social groupings that otters will belong to. Mothers and their young form groups called families to protect one another from predators and acquire the resources they require to survive. Male adult groupings, known as clans, will only reunite with their families during mating season. Olfaction is a special form of communication used by otters to identify the location of their territory. They leave their scent on their diggings, holeouts, rolling sites, and sleeping areas. So the next time you decide to adopt a pet otter, know that they are smarter than what you give them credit for. Number 9. Rats. Despite having tiny brains and bodies, rats are one of the smartest animals in the world. Rats have demonstrated preferences for certain things and individuals, much like other pets. They will purr like cats, or even squeak a high-pitched laugh when they are delighted to have visitors. They use a process known as metacognition, or making judgments, based on what they know or do not know, instead of acting arbitrarily. That said, rats are easier to train than typical household rodent species, such as guinea pigs and rabbits, and they frequently want to please their owners. Rats learn to imitate a particular behavior quickly, if they are rewarded enough. If you don't believe us, watch the movie Ratatouille, and you'll see that the movie somewhat depicts how intelligent a rat can be. Of course, it won't start cooking 5-star meals for you. However, the film writers put much thought into the movie's premise. Number 10. New Caledonian Crows. The New Caledonian Crow is the smartest bird among all crows, ravens, and rooks, all of which are smarter than most other birds. During a test to see how effectively crows could utilize tools, one crow named Betty served as a representative of the New Caledonian Crows. To experiment with crows' intelligence, researchers at Oxford University used a piece of meat too large for Betty to fit inside a tube. She decided to remove a length of wire still in her cage and bend the end of the wire with a nearby object. Betty had fashioned a hook out of a wire by using the item in the cage to make another tool, which she then used to extract the food from the narrow tube. This is reason enough to categorize the New Caledonian Crow as one of the smartest animals in the world. Humans are extremely proud of their capacity for thought. However, intelligence is not a limited concept. As a result, there is more to animals than we think. The animals on this list have evolved over thousands of years and learned to survive and successfully adapt to the modern environment. What do you think of these top 10 smartest animals on Earth? Let us know in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find our videos useful and want us to make more videos. Until next time, give a fact.